you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So finally, I received the last advent calendar for now 2025. Do you want to know what's inside this one by Pixi by Petra? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, my very last 2025 advent calendar finally arrived. I did purchase this one quite some time ago. It was like towards the beginning of December, and it was a pre-order, and it didn't ship until well after Christmas, but it's been sitting on my desk for well over a week until I could finally get enough room in my phone to sit down and film. So it's a little late on my part, but it came definitely after Christmas. This right here is the 12 days of icon calendar, and it was $40 was what I paid for the pre-sale. I don't know if they changed the price when it wasn't a pre-sale, but I paid $40, and then there was a free gift with my purchase. That is this that came in. This was delivered right away. I got just this by itself, and then this just now came in. So this is a lip tone pH reactive tint, and it's Hello Kitty. So it's the collab with Hello Kitty. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a future giveaway pile for one of you guys, but hey, I got this and it'll go to one of you guys. I love to share. So I just wanted to show you that. And then this actually came down inside of this box where it says like address. You can write this here. It says Pixi on the back, and it's just a really nicely made like box that you can reuse. So I don't know if I'm going to store like scrapbooking stuff in here or just reuse the box to mail something to somebody else, but I'm definitely keeping this box that it came in. So enough about the box and the free product. Let's dive in and see what is all inside. This is the 12-day, I believe it's a punch style door calendar. It comes like this, and you have a Pixi by Petra down there. The back does go over all of the items if you wanted to read them. Plus it showed them. I just don't pay attention. I just buy. I just buy. So let's get into this and see what's all in here. I'm hoping I'm going to have some good products to put in giveaways for you guys too. Because you know, I don't do a whole lot with makeup, but I love to show you guys and share. So this is, ooh, look at the inside. Very, very pretty. All right, so Pixi Tone Glow Makeup Lips. Let's try to find, number one is right here. Yes, the punch door style. So in day one, ooh, we have Dreamy Eye, Jasmine and Vitamin A. This is PM patches, replenishing PM patches. Looks like they're under eye patches. All right, starting off to a great start. And Jasmine and Vitamin A, that sounds amazing. So let's go with number two. Ooh, so now we have a Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel, Exfoliating Cleanser. Ow, hit my elbow. So you have that down in door number two. Number three, we have this little guy. Ooh, it's a blush. Definitely will go for one of you guys. It is the On the Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Stick. So it looks kind of like it's a deodorant stick style that you just roll up and you can use. And this is in the color Ruby. So that's what that one looks like. Now we have number four is over here. It's by the lips. So is this for your lips? Oh no, it's a brow tamer. It's a clear brow gel. I normally don't even put this type of product on my brows, so this will go for one of you guys as well. I only use one product on my brows. I'm a creature habit and I don't change. Number five, unless they go out of business, then I'm gonna be forced to, but at least the last like 7-8 years, I've been good getting it. Ooh, now we have lip patches. So this one has vitamin C and peptides, and it's a lip patch. Number six. Now we have a Flawless and Poreless Primer. Definitely will go to you guys. Most of all of this stuff is probably just going to go down in future giveaways, but for $40, I thought that was a great deal. Pixi by Petra, I've never shown, and I didn't even know they did one. So I was super excited just to at least get it and show you guys. Number 7, we are halfway done. What are you, little booger? It's a lip treat tinted lip balm. And it looks like it is in the color Scarlet. It looks like the roll up, just you roll it up in a lip tint. Nice. Okay, so number 8. Now we have an antioxidant tonic serum toner. Ooh, I will definitely try that. A serum toner. Nice. So I will try that one. Number 9. Flawless Beauty Primer. Isn't that what we already got? Flawless Poreless Primer. And this is Flawless Beauty Primer for even skin. So there's 2 different primers. I guess it's cool because then you can try them both out and see which one you really like if you wanted to buy the full size. Because those don't look like full size to me, but they might be. Who knows? Number 10. We have a lip tone pH reactive gloss. Okay. And it just says Snow Pearl. If it's a lip gloss, I'll probably keep that one because it's super, super small. I can just toss it down in my purse or something like that. So that might be 2 things I'm keeping. Number 11 is this big one right here. Now we have another eye patch, but this one says caffeine and cucumber. So there's 2 different eye masks and then 1 lip. Now the last and final 12th day. Dun, 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 dun. This one here, it says makeup fixing mist, like a setting spray. So that will definitely go in my future giveaway pile as well. So again, I knew most of these were gonna go to you guys. I did not mind. I just really wanted to show you guys and see what was inside of a Pixi by Petra calendar. So I achieved what I wanted. And now I get to share some of these with you guys, which is absolutely amazing. And again, all of this was $40. And then I got this is a full size for sure, free for placing my order. So that's a lot of cool products. Definitely comment down below and let me know, what did you think about it? Do you think it was worth it for the $40? Did you purchase this? Have you seen it? Definitely comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.